Hi everyone, welcome to this week's showcase. My name is Sierra and I'm with 911 Rapid Response. Today we're going to show you this upfit that we did for one of our clients. It is a personal build, so it's not your typical build like your fire apparatus or your cop car or anything like that. This is personal. So what this gentleman has is a F-150. He does run with the fire company, and you will see different color lights when we change them. So you will see all blues and then you will end up seeing all reds. So in the front, you're going to see 4 T-series in the grill. And again, these are red and blue lights. So first you will see blue, then you will see red. Around the side of the vehicle, on the running board, you will see 3 T-series. They are placed on L brackets. And then up top, you will see a edge light bar. And with this light bar, the functionality of it, you will see all of the lights in the front flash, and then around the side, you'll actually see only 2 of the modules that flash, and the rest of the back of the light bar is light free. That is because of the cap that is on the back of the truck. And then to the rear of the truck, we do have the taillights flashing with the Core system. And then under the tailgate area, you will see 2 T-series. And then in the cap, you will also see 2 T-series. And if I open up this, the lights will stay. They will not go up with the window. And these are on brackets that we made in-house. So what I'll do is I'll hop inside. I will show you some light functionality. Right now we're in park mode with the blue lights flashing. And I'm going to change it to the red. So now all of the lights will be flashing red. This is in cruise, so I'm into drive, so you guys can kind of see a different light function. And again, with the red lights. And then we do have park mode as well, so I'll throw it back in park. This is going to be your blue function, and this will be your red function. This build does have the Core system in it, and this client wanted the handheld controller, which we were able to mount on the side of his console. So that is this week's showcase. And again, this is not one of our typical cop car builds or, fire builds, but it is a personal build. We do them here. So if you're interested, reach out to us and make sure you like, subscribe, and follow all of our social media outlets, and we'll catch you next time.